Hello, this is Jake, and welcome to another Trumpeter TITANIC video. Today I have a second Trumpeter TITANIC here. But before we jump into that and why I got another, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. So I was randomly searching eBay the other night, and I was looking at Titanic bits, memorabilia, books and that. And I actually came across this Trumpeter TITANIC from Germany for about €310. Posted as well to the UK, and I thought that was a real good deal. So didn't hesitate, snapped it up, and now I have a second one. I've not even finished the first one yet, but the reason I bought another, as well as it being cheap, and I was planning to buy a second one someday anyway. But one of the reasons I have for buying it is, every time I post pictures of the one I'm still working on, that's going to be going in a glass case and everything, people always ask me what colours did I use, how did I paint it, did I airbrush it, how am I going to do this yellow line between the white and the black. You know, I get asked these questions nearly every video or every picture I put up on the Titanic page on Facebook, which a link in the description now for that page. They're really great guys. So I thought, well, what I'm going to do this time around, I'm going to film every step. So there is a little bit of a twist, and I'll get into that in a second. I'm not building the whole ship. But we will be looking at how to mask off the different colours to get the perfect lines, what colours to use, how to drill out all these different portholes as well. You know, how to paint the chimneys, funnels. You know, there's endless stuff to work on and show you how to do, and also install a light system as well. Now, I will be building it, like I said, but with a twist. I'm only building from the middle of the ship back to the stern, because I'm going to be building this as the sinking of the Titanic, and I'm trying to recreate the final moments of the famous ship sinking. So as the stern's going down with all the people, hundreds of people on the stern as it's sinking, moments before it broke in two. I would like to do that scene of it breaking in two, but not this time around. I'm just going to focus on the stern sinking. So from the middle of the ship backwards, that's what we'll be building, and I can still show you how to do the paint and drill out the portholes. It's all the same for the front, so yeah, you can still learn all of that, and then the photo etch parts, how to fit them and the rigging and everything. I still do all of that, so that's not going to be a problem. So that's the plan. That is why I've got this second one here. I think it's going to be a really good project, and again, I can show you all. So if you haven't already subscribed and you want to learn all this stuff, then definitely subscribe, because I won't be missing any details, and I will be answering questions and everything on how to do it every time, because like I said, I keep getting asked, and maybe I should get it done and then show you. I'm always getting asked questions how to paint it, so yeah, I'm gonna deliver on that and show you every step of the way. So there we have it. It's still in the box. I did open it up just to make sure it was all okay, not damaged, because I saw one or two people have buy their kit, and the bow section was all cracked, where the moulding is cracked, and I would be angry. I'm sure you are as well. So that's not a very nice thing. But yeah, there we go. So that is the Trumpeter Titanic. That is my plans. And like I said, if you want to see more on this, then please do hit that subscribe button. I don't know what the subscriptions are up to today, but at 2,500 subscribers, I'm giving away 2 Raval 1700 kits, and I'll be doing a video on that next. So if you want to subscribe for that, please do. And all the details will be in the video coming up after this video. So yeah, that's where we are. That's what we're doing, and I will see you all soon.